My name is Ashisham. Today I am going to present about the topic Smart Home Automation using IoT and Embedded System, integrating Arduino, Pixel and Blinding for efficient and remote home control. Moving on to abstract project objective. This project aims to develop a home automation system using Arduino IDE, Pixel simulator and the Blink IoT app to create smarter homes. Resource management. It enables remote control of various appliances and efficient management of resources such as temperature and water levels. IoT integration. By integrating sensors and actuators with IoT technology, user can monitor and control home devices conveniently via a smartphone application. Moving on to introduction of our presentation. The objective. Design a home automation system, leverage IoT and embedded system, control home appliances remotely, and key learning, Internet of Things, embedded system, programming in C and C++. Benefits of the project: enhancing conveyance and improving energy efficiency. Moving on to IoT overview. IoT overview means that it connects physical objects equipped with sensors, processing capabilities, and software to exchange data over the internet or other networks. This connectivity enables smart devices to communicate and be controlled remotely, forming the foundation for intelligent home automation system. Moving on to the embedded system basic. As you all know that definition of embedded system means embedded system combines specialized hardware and software designed for specific functions. And components of embedded system typically consist of a processor, memory, and I/O peripherals. Embedded system and integral to smart devices. And programming languages for embedded system. C and C++ programming languages are widely used for developing embedded applications due to their efficiency and control. Role in smart devices. Embedded systems are integral to smart devices, enabling their functionality and specialized operations. Moving on to programming language C and C++. Versatility of C and C++. C and C++ are versatile programming languages used in software engineering, game development, data structure, and embedded system. Common C data types. As you all know, the common C data types are char and unsigned variants for non-negative values and float and double for floating point numbers. Moving on to control and performance. These languages provide the control and performance needed for the embedded device program. Applications of C and C++. C and C++ are widely used in various domains such as software engineering, game development, and embedded systems. Moving on to project tools and software that we have used in this project demonstration. Development and environment. Arduino IDE was used for writing and compiling sensor and actuator control code. Simulation and testing. PixSimLab simulator facilitated virtual code testing and execution. Real-time debugging. Serial port emulator connected Arduino IDE to PixSimLab, enabling real-time simulation and debugging. Moving on to the Blink IoT application. Overview of Blink IoT application. Blink is an Android app used to remotely control home automation devices, provides a user-friendly interface for managing home system from anywhere. Control appliances with virtual pins. Allows user to turn appliances on or off via virtual pins. Enables seamless remote management of home devices. Monitor home condition. User can monitor temperature and water tank level through consoles and shows real-time updates on home condition. Receives important notifications. Get alerts for water tank full or temperature threshold warning. Keeps user informed about critical home system status. Moving on to embedded program features. We all know that embedded program features include control mechanism, temperature safety, and water tank management and notification system. Moving on to control mechanism. Control of cooler, heater, inlet valve, and outlet valve based on virtual pin inputs. And temperature safety. It includes temperature monitoring with automatic heater shutdown if temperature exceeds 35 degrees Celsius. Then moving on to water tank management. Water tank volume monitoring with automatic inlet water disablement with when full. Notification system. Notification displays on LCD and sent to the Blink app terminal. Moving on to design components. Arduino Uno microcontroller. Key hardware components for controlling the automation system. And next one is temperature system. Includes heater and cooler for managing environmental conditions. And moving on to garden light control module. Utilizes LED and light dependent resistor for efficient lighting control. Water level measurement. Employs a sealed tank sensor to monitor water level effectively. Moving on to local status updates. Features on LCD HD 44780 display for real-time information, IoT connectivity and remote control, powered by a Blink cloud platform for seamless integration and control. Moving on to the application and benefits of our project smart home automation system. It includes practical applications, room temperature regulation, and water tank monitoring, garden light control, and benefits include energy saving, time saving, and cost saving. Moving on to practical application in room temperature regulation, it involves regulating room temperature according to user comfort. And practical application, water tank monitoring rules indicating water tank levels and notifying when full. And next one is practical application, garden light control, controlling garden lights based on ambient light intensity. And moving on to benefits, energy saving by automating appliance usage, and time saving through remote control and monitoring, and cost saving by efficient resource management. This system enhances lifestyle conveniences and sustainability. And moving on to conclusion of our projects, it includes the integration of technologies and smartphone control and promotes conservation, the accessibility and efficiency. And moving on to integration of technologies, it includes the project demonstrates the integration of Arduino IoT, PiximLab, and Blink IoT app for home automation. And for smartphone control, it includes home appliances can be controlled conveniently via smartphone, enhancing lifestyle ease. And for promotes conservation, it includes the system promotes electricity conservation, saving time and reducing cost. And moving on to accessibility and efficiency, smart homes becomes more accessible and efficient through this innovative approach. I would like to show the demo project of our. This is this is the PCM lab we have used in this project, and this is the Arduino board, and these are the internal peripheral devices in the Arduino board, and this is a resistor which indicates the brightness. And when the resistor is decreased, the light will turn off, and when the resistance is increased, the light will turn on. When the resistance is increased, the light will glow. And by increasing resistance, it means the darkness is increased. When the darkness is maximum, the light will glow. And these are the other devices used in this. And this is the blink app we have used in this. And in this we have two tabs. In tab 1 there is a heater. If we on heater, the temperature will increase, and in CCLD it will show heater on. When the temperature reaches 35 degrees, the heater will be turned off, and in notification it will shows the temperature is above 35 degrees Celsius. That means turning off the heater. mm, when the turn on the cooler will run, and the temperature will be decreased. In CCLD, the cooler on will show and the temperature is decreased to 27 degrees Celsius. When the heater is on, the temperature will remain constant. If cold, raise of the temperature will increase, and the cool draft shows on the LCD screen. This is the indicator which indicates the temperature, and when it reaches above 35, the heater will automatically turn off. And when the collar is on, the temperature will decrease it to 27 degrees Celsius. And this is the serial tank which is used to control the inflow and outflow of the water tank. In tab 2 there is inlet valve and outlet valve. Let me show you with practically. Initially, let us assume that the tank is full and the volume is 3000. Let's on the outlet valve. Now the volume will be decreased. You can see here, and mm, when the volume reaches below 2000, and the inlet valve automatically will be on, and in the CCLD it will show in inflow on, and the volume remain constant when inlet valve and outlet valve is on. When outlet valve is off, the volume will be increased. When the volume reaches 3000, it will automatically turn off. The inlet valve will be turned off, and in CCLD it will show inflow off. In tab 1 we have notification, it will indicate water level is full, water inflow is disabled. Now let's on inlet valve. It will automatically off. When we turn on the outlet valve, the volume will be decreased, and in this indicator we can see the decrease of the volume. And when volume reaches below 2000, automatically the inlet valve will be on. In tab 1 we can see the notification water level is less than 2000, water inflow will be enabled. In tab it is the indicator, it indicates the volume of the tank. When the two valves are on, the indicator will be constant. Now let's see the interference of the Blink app. This is the interface. By clicking Home Automation, we can access these two tabs. And this is the final output of our project. As you can